See, there is no photograph. Okay, and this 0 bedroom, 0 bathroom is not required. And photographs what you have posted here is not correct. This is not the way to do it. Okay, now I am going to edit it now. Okay, okay, I think this is, you have put media here. I think, you have added media, all the photographs, by clicking in this place, correct? So this is wrong. You can only put one photograph here, you should not put so many. So I am going to delete everything here. Okay, now first of all, on the right side, it is a commercial lot, it's fine. Now not applicable, not applicable is not required. You can just leave it blank here. Okay, so from basic information, you put this is the value, area size is correct, this is not required. Here itself you can put SFT. Okay, there itself you can put SFT. And do you want to yeah, correct, okay, that is fine, hide the thing. Now here you should, right side you see, what you have done is commercial land residential. This is not residential, so commercial land means it is commercial land, you should not tick this one. Okay, then you come here, CV Raman Nagar, KR Puram. It cannot be two places, any one. So let's take CV Raman Nagar. Okay, then it should come, actually the CV Raman Nagar should come under Bangalore. So I don't know why the CV Raman Nagar is on top. Anyway, fine, it's okay. Now this is for sale, so you have to click this sale also. Okay, then you have to set a featured image here. So this is a featured image is the photograph that you have to put one. I don't know which one you have put, which is that land. From here I have to search. So I'm assuming, I'm just putting one photograph for you to just understand. Okay, if it is wrong, you edit it and put the right one. So what I'll do is I'll just put this, okay, for the time being. No, this one I'll put, okay, and then set it as the featured image. Featured image means this will come on the website, on the page, this page. See, like this. Now I'm putting this remaxacereality.in. This website is now opening. So when it opens now, okay, so this here one page comes, here one photograph has to come. Okay, so here it will come. Now this plot, now what I put there, that will come. Once I publish it, it will come here. Now it is empty. You have not put anything because you have not used that. Okay, so now I'm going back to that editing page. Where is that editing page? Here, right. So this photograph will come now here in this place. Okay. So now you have to add more pictures. When you want to add more pictures, you have to go to gallery images. See here, here you have added already. It's fine. Correct. This should come on the right side. Gallery with thumbnails on the right. It will come. Okay. Then agent information. Floor plans is nothing. Property video, if it is there, you could have put. Property video is not there. Agent information, now it is none. You should put it as agent information here, and you should put your name, Dilip. Okay, Dilip is there now. Then in the miscellaneous column, yeah, you have put the property owner address and all that. That is correct. Okay. Now whether home page, see, you have put it as a home page slider. That is why it is coming. Okay, here you should not put actually. It is coming on the home page slider. It is not required because all properties cannot become that one. So I am going to remove this. This will not become. Now let it be anyway. It looks nice also. Let it be like that. And here I think property type and all you have put. Is it site? Yeah, it is a site. Right? Site you have not put. So site I have put here. No, it is already there. Site, correct. Land. So it's not required. I put there. Okay. Now it is all fine. Here you should enter the data. Supposing this page you are not able, you are saying that you are not able to write anything here in this page. Oh, it's okay. If that is a problem, then what you do is write in a notepad. I don't have notepad here. I have something like this. Okay. So something like this. Suppose write in property description, commercial land. Okay. Blah 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 blah. All those things will come. Okay. You type out everything, then edit, and then right click and then copy. Okay, then you come here and you right click and paste it. When you paste it here, the paste information also you will not be able to see, but it would have got pasted. Okay, so don't worry about that. You do like that, and then finally you have to update. So when you update this, it is now published. Okay, now I am going to show you how that this one is empty right now. Correct? Now you see what will happen. See now, what I had put there, it has come now. So this is how it should be. Okay, now you change this photograph and put the correct photograph. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now like this only you should do. You see this video any number of times if you want, but please don't make mistakes now. Okay, now your photograph also would have come because I put Dilip. No, see your Dilip photograph has come. Now your number has come. Earlier it was not there. Correct? Now it has come. See, and then that 0 bedroom, 0 this thing has been removed. Only this is coming now. So this is the right way of doing. Additionally, here you have not put the description. That is why this is blank. So if you put the description will come here. So I hope it is now clear for you. Okay.